like glowing stars, grinning faces, some with scars. 1,000 eyes, they watch the crowd. Their flickering flames are whispering loud. Pumpkins in the city, they're lighting up the night. Jack-o'-lanterns laughing, casting orange light. 20,000 candles, a harvest kind of glow. Pumpkins in the city, they steal the autumn show. A crooked grin, a hollow stare, a toothless smile, but no one cares. They guard the streets, they hold the line. Lanterns burning, a seasonal sign. Feel the crunch of leaves below, the chill that creeps, the embers glow. Pumpkins in the city, they're lighting up the night. Jack-o'-lanterns laughing, casting orange light. 20,000 candles, a harvest kind of glow. Pumpkins in the city, they steal the autumn show. Who carved the crooked eyes? Who gave them teeth that bite? Who made them guardians of this October night?
Apple dumpling with pumpkin, caramel sauce, ham and beans with pumpkin, cornbread and honey, cinnamon butter, pumpkin funnel cake, pumpkin soft serve in a waffle cone.
Sweet potato, kettle chips, everything toasted, garlic knots with pumpkin cheese sauce.
Spookies and cream.
Apple dumpling with pumpkin caramel, cold cider,
Sliced caramel apple,
sweet potato, Sussex skillet, pumpkin chai latte,
pumpkin cinnamon roll,
pumpkin spice iced coffee,
pumpkin butter funnel cake, chicken and andouille gumbo with cheddar grits,
harvest apple lemonade, pumpkin chili with cornbread crumble,
pumpkin funnel cake.
caramel apple frozen lemonade,
Pumpkin ice cream and pumpkin spice waffle cone.
candy corn Fanta punch,
Bang bang grilled shrimp waffle cone.
cashew chicken cone, firecracker chicken waffle cone, cashew chicken cone, firecracker chicken waffle cone, harvest apple lemonade, harvest succotash, Gillis smoked sausage mac and cheese, smoked sausage mac and cheese, buffalo chicken stuffed potato,
Butterscotch milk tea.
Caramel apple frozen lemonade.
Pumpkin bread pudding,
pumpkin spice shrub ribs,
Pumpkin spice pretzel with cream cheese icing.
apple dumpling with pumpkin caramel sauce, churro with pumpkin spice fluff,